So I want to show a quick walkthrough of what the Google Classroom app looks like on the phone versus the web-based version. So I'm going to open it up on my phone here. There's the Google Classroom app right in the middle. I'm going to tap on it. So you can see that I see a view of all of my classes listed in order that they're in my regular class, and they're just little rectangles. And if I want to go into any particular class, I can just tap on that class and get right into it. So if I click there, you can see that now I'm inside of that class. Okay. So I still have all of the same functions. I still have a stream tab, I have a classwork tab, and I have a people tab down at the bottom of the screen. Okay, I still have access to my settings from up here in the right corner. I still have access to my menus over here on the left. Okay, so kind of all the same types of things. However, I want to show you this really nifty thing that you can do within the app that you can't do on the regular version. So if I go in here and I see that something has a material that I can open, so let me go into a different class here. I'm going to jump into this class down here. And so here I see there's a Google slideshow, for instance. So anytime there is an attachment in one of my classes and I open that attachment, you'll see up at the top of the screen that you have a little pencil. And if I tap on that pencil, it gives me the function to be able to write on top of things. Okay, so right now the pencil is in purple, but I can come down here and I can change the color of it if I want to. I can change the thickness of it, and then I can start doing things on the screen. So I can write on the screen if I want to. I can circle things, point to things, whatever I need to do. So this annotation tool is totally built in on the app view, but not on the regular view. Okay, I can even swing it over to text and decide that I just want to type something in. Okay, so I wanted to show you that. I think it's a lot different, but it adds some ability that you might be able to utilize when you have a homework assignment or something like that to do, that writing on the screen might be a little bit easier versus having to type something out. So I just wanted to show that to you real quick. Thank you.